Good morning, everyone. We are still in Orlando and we have another hotel room tour for you. This one is completely not planned. So we were supposed to fly out of Orlando on Friday morning and be home by 11:30 a.m. But our flight got canceled, so we are now stuck here until Sunday. Our flight will fly out at 4:30 in the afternoon, and we should get home very early Monday morning. But until then, we are just hanging out here. We are at Holiday Inn and Suites, the one that is across from Universal Studios, and I thought I could give you a quick tour. We're on the 10th floor, and we are in one of the King Suites. The main door to the suite opens up into this living area. Directly to the left, we have a little kitchenette that has a coffee maker and a microwave, as well as a refrigerator. And this is one of my favorite parts. It does have a little freezer section. Also a spot for eggs, but I'm not sure who is taking eggs on vacation. Continuing around, there is a nice dining table as well as a TV, complete with a living room set and a pull-out bed under the couch. The sunlight coming in from this window is super nice, but the view isn't anything to write home about. It's a little, I don't know, it's just not super nice. However, on the other side of the building is where Universal is. To the right of the window, there is also this door that connects to another suite, but of course, we can't get into it. Back to our front door, there is a door directly next to us, and this leads into the bathroom. We have the sink portion with the illuminated mirror on this first half, and behind this door is a little closet area with a safe, and I think that's a hairdryer up there. And then just a little nook to store our luggage. Continuing along, we of course have the bathroom. Super basic and simple, but what more could you ask for? We have a toilet and then a shower and a bathtub. I'll step back here to try to give a little bit more perspective. So that was where the bathroom portion was. So then this next door is the actual bedroom. And Jacob is still asleep, but we're going to go ahead and bother him anyways. These light switches go to the nice full-size closet that is in here. Then we have the king-size bed and a sleeping Jake. There's nightstands on each side as well as lights on each side. Across from the bed, we have a nice mirror and a small seating area, a desk, a TV, and a few dresser drawers. This desk does pull out, so you can have a little bit more room. And you could also take it into the other room if you really needed to. We won't bother Jake completely by opening up this window, but it is another nice big picture window that shows the dumpsters outside as well as some of the roadways. Here's another view of the room. Again, that's the door that we came in, the closet, the bed, the nightstands, and the window. Due to the circumstances, I'm honestly not very happy to be here. However, this is a very nice room considering the price. And if I had to stay somewhere for 2 days and just relax, this is definitely a good place to do it. We plan on just hanging out here until checkout, and once our checkout time rolls around, we will be back to the airport and hopefully we will be able to get home from there. I am so ready to get home and I'm so ready to see my dog, but until then, thank you all so much for joining me today for this hotel room tour. Let me know in the comments below if you stayed in this hotel room or if you would stay in this hotel. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you in my next video.